We are going to make 2 loaves today of my soft, white, fluffy bread. This is my daughter's absolute favorite. And after you have this, you are going to put store-bought bread in the trash can. And it's super easy to do. I'm going to give you 2 loaves so that you can have one for your family. You can have both of them from your family, or you can give one away. I usually give one to my mama. I'm sweating because it's summer. And what am I doing? I'm drinking hot coffee as I make the bread. Like, what's wrong with me, y'all? Do you do that too? God, I hope I'm not the only one. 4 cups of flour that is freshly milled. So we get all those vitamins and minerals in there that is going to make you and your family, I don't know if I can say that. It's going to make, how about this? It has made myself and my family, I've noticed a difference with my health, like in my family's health. Like 2 cups of room temperature or warm water. You do not want cold water because that'll kill the yeast. 1 tablespoon of yeast, 2 eggs. But I have a big tip for you, which is not going to be done today. Is that I had to get the rest of my honey out. So what you're going to do, normally, this is what I do. I put my honey, not my honey, I put my oil in first and then my honey second. Because in that way, the honey automatically slides all out. But today, I'm going to have to do it the other way. So you just put in 1/3 cup of honey. We're not going to mix it. I purposely left out the salt because the salt can inhibit the growth of the yeast. This is called an autolyse, and this is where your dough is going to get all bubbly, so you will be able to tell if your yeast is working. This is after I let it sit. Now it's time to knead. If you are using a Bosch mixer, it'll take about 10 to 12 minutes. If you are using a KitchenAid, it'll take probably anywhere between 20 minutes to 45 minutes. How do you know if your bread dough is ready for you to start making your bread, right? It's called a window pane test. So the easiest thing, ignore in the background, that's my son and his friends. So see, even if you're super busy, like all of us, you can still do this. Anyway, so I take a piece of bread from my dough. Actually, that's like too big for y'all. And then what you do is you stretch it out and you're trying to get light. See how that is tearing? I know that my bread is not done. So I need to go back and knead.
Exactly. No, there's plenty. There's a good size pieces. I have not either. Do you? Good luck.
You want it to have been risen at least either at the pan or above, 1 inch above, but I'm in a hurry because I got 2 kids. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in like this. Put it in the oven at 350 for 30 minutes.